Let's make over-the-top chili. For the seasoning, combine 2 tablespoons of dark chili powder, 2 tablespoons ground cumin, 2 tablespoons ground pepper, 1 tablespoon granulated garlic, and 1 tablespoon of kosher salt. Now I'm going to use 2 pounds of Akashi Wagyu ground beef from Meat and Bone. This stuff is amazing, and it's less than $10 a pound with the coupon code on the screen right now. Mix in half the chili seasoning and set it aside. Now we'll start by sauteing 1 chopped yellow bell pepper, 1 chopped red bell pepper, 1 large chopped onion, and 2 dried ancho chili peppers also chopped up. We'll add the rest of the seasoning, a 1/4 cup of barbecue sauce, canned tomatoes, and tomato sauce. Now we'll move it to indirect heat on our smoker and smoke the beef at 300 degrees Fahrenheit in a rack over the top of the chili until it reaches 155 degrees. Get it? That's why it's called over the top chili. Now break up the beef into the chili and cook for 1 more hour at 300 degrees Fahrenheit and you've got over the top chili.
Cheers.
It's really good.
It's really good? I think it's really good too. You like the yummy? We did it?
Yeah.
Okay.